Okay, so this problem is number 19 in 7-1, and I wanted to be able to talk with you guys about it. So if you draw this triangle, DEF, okay, it says determine the perimeter and the area of it. Well, the perimeter is the length around the side, that's 3, 4, and if you do Pythagorean theorem, that one's 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. And then area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 times 4 times 3, which is 6. So that part was relatively straightforward. But now it says, draw an image of it after a dilation, the scale factor of 3. So I'm going to write my point up here, D prime, if I multiply by 3, 9, 3, E prime would be 9, 15, and F prime would be 0, 15. So if I plot that, there's my F prime, E prime is 9, 15, and D prime is 9, 3. Oops, well, let me put my little prime mark there. All right, so here we go. Now it says determine the perimeter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one's 12. And if I do Pythagorean theorem, that side would be 15. So perimeter is 9 plus 12 plus 15, which gives me 36. And area is 1/2 12 times 9, which is 54. So the next question wants you to the scale factor. Now, if you notice, it does perimeter of the first one over perimeter of the second one over the perimeter of the first one. So 36 over 12, that's the perimeter scale factor, and we get 3. Then it wants area. So area scale factor would be 54 over 6, which is 9. So this is what I want you to notice here. The scale factor of the perimeter is what it should be, 3, right? We multiplied the triangle by 3, everybody by 3, so it should be 3 times longer. But look at this one, the scale factor for area. I want you to notice that it's the scale factor squared. Because remember, we did times 3 this way and times 3 that way. That's what area is. And that's why it's the scale factor squared. Volume would be 3 cubed because you're multiplying it by 3 different ways. And I just wanted to make sure that was clear. That's an important part of the learning in that problem.